Here's how the Scene Edit Detection tool works. Imagine you have a big puzzle and this tool helps you cut out each piece perfectly. The three options available are apply a cut at each detected point, create a bin of subclips from each detected cut point, and create clip marker at each detected cut point. The first option slices your video directly in the timeline. The second option, which I found incredibly useful, puts all your cut clips into a separate bin. This makes it easy to organize and access in each clip individually. The third option places a marker at each detected cut point, giving you flexibility to decide later whether you cut the clip. To use the Scene Edit Detection tool, start by selecting your clip. Then go to the top of your screen, click Clip, and select Scene Edit Detection. Choose your preferred option, or even all three if it suits your needs. You can find these buttons in the drop-down menu under Clip on the main toolbar. If you encounter any issues like miscuts or extra markers, remember, it's all part of the learning curve. I faced similar challenges, but with practice, I learned to fine-tune the settings for better accuracy.